Okay, it's time for spelling. So the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to click onto Google Classroom and you'll look for today's date. So you should only have one assignment for each day. So just find the one for today's date. There's more assignments than what you need for today, but there's only one for today's date. So my screen isn't that way because I have everyone's on there, but you should only have one that says November 9th, for example. Okay, so today is Tuesday, so the group that I'm working on is the Phonetic Skill 1 and 2 and the CK group, and so you'll click into that area. So you should be watching the video already in that area. And then next to the video should be these slides. There's 2 slides for you to work on. There is the one where you sort, and then another one where you fill in the answers. So Phonetic Skill 1 means that there's a short vowel with one consonant, and that consonant's a guardian. So any words that just have one consonant after the short vowel will go here. Any that have more than one consonant or 2 consonants, remember if they make one sound together, like wish, it's wa-ish. It's actually Phonetic Skill 1, because since it has one sound, there's only one guardian star consonant, so it would go here. If it's a blend that you can hear both sounds, like isk, then that is 2 sounds, so you would do 2 guardian consonants. So you're going to sort between what's one guardian consonant and what's 2 guardian consonants on the first screen. Then on the second screen, it just says, answers some questions about these. So which 2 words follow Phonetic Skill 2 that has the San Francisco Zoo rule? So you're going to look down for doubles. I see dress and I see stiff. So there's boxes right here. You would type dress and stiff, and then you go on to the next question. You can always look back to your answers from Phonetic Skill 1 to help you. Okay, good luck with your spelling today.